All right, hello class. So we're gonna do a couple questions from 6.2, and this is the stat class with statcrunch. All right, and I was requested four problems, so I'm gonna just do those four problems. All right, so start off with number 24 and 6.2. Assume the readings on the thermometers are normally distributed with a mean of 0 degrees and a standard deviation of 1 degrees. Assume 2.9% of the thermometers are ejected because they have readings that are too high, and another 2.9% are rejected because they have readings that are too low. Draw a sketch and find the two readings that are cut off values separating the rejected thermometers from the others. All right, so to do this problem right here, I you can just tell they're asking for that are too high and too low, so the rejection reasons. So you know that they need 2 points. So these two only got one. So C and D will eliminate those already. So it's either A or B. And it says they're rejected because their readings are too high or too low. So it'll be B because B have one shaded region that's too low and shade that's too high. A is everything in between. So alright, so the correct answer would be B. Alright. Okay, so the cutoff values. Now they want to know the z-scores for these. So for that, we'll have to go to statcrunch. So to bring up in statcrunch, you go to the stats tab, go to calculators, and this is a normal distribution. So we're gonna go to normal. All right. So they went 2.9%. So if we type in the area of 2.9%, statcrunch will give us the z-score. So 0.029, and x is less. Alright, so x is less than. Alright, and you see the graph shows correct. So let's go ahead and put that in. And they want both z-scores. So the first one is negative 1.89. We got rounded to two decimals, so that will round up to 1.9, 1.90. And normal distribution, they're symmetrical. So we don't even have to find the other one. We just know it's the opposite of 1.89, so positive 1.89. But if we wanted to, we could just did that, and it would be the opposite. So that'll show you as well. And that's 0.029. So let's go ahead and put that in statcrunch. We round it up to two decimals, 1.90. All right. Uh, okay. Oh, here we go. I didn't put the comment in. Okay, there you go. All right, perfect. All right, the next one was question number 26. All right, so let's do a similar question. Find the indicated area under the curve of the standard normal distribution, and then convert it to a percentage and fill in the blank. About blank percent of the area is between z-score 1.4 and negative 1.4, positive 1.4. So if you just go to between, then we can just type in and we'll get our answer. So we want negative 1.4 and positive 1.4. All right. Right there, that gives us our answer. So 0.83, round to for two decimals, so 0.84. Well, actually, it's in percentage, so I'll be 83.85. Because this is we're really rounding up to four decimals because they want to turn it to percentage, then two decimals after the percentage. So 83.85. Alright, perfect. Alright. Then the next question. Come on. It was 32 and 33. Let's wait for it to load. Go similar question. Find the indicated probability of the standard normal random variable z. Alright, so it said z is less than point negative 2.58 or greater than 1.31. Alright, so for this one, all you got to do basically is find the area of this one, then the area of the second one, and just add them together. So when x is greater, no, less than actually, than negative 2.58. All right. So let me put this in the calculator. So we got 0.00494 plus, so this is the second part, x z is greater than 1.3, z is greater than 1.31. All right, perfect. So just add those together. So plus 0.09509. All right, and this will be your answer, round to 4 decimals. So 0.1000 be your answer. All right, and the last question we're going to do is 33. This one says find the z-score that separates the middle 44% of the distribution. All right. So to do this question, if we know that the middle 44%, what's outside of the middle 44%? It will be, so 1 minus 0.44, 1 minus 0.44. So 0.56. That's what the two sides outside the middle. Then for one side is the one at a time divided by 2. So 0.28. So we find the z-score for 0.28. The z-score for probably 0.28. All right. 0.28. This is that x is less than. All right. So the z-score is negative 0.58. And for the other z-score, it's symmetrical, so it'll be the same, just positive. So 0.58. All right, those are our answers. All right, so I hope that helps y'all. If you need any further explanation or clarifying or anything, just go ahead and let me know.